Professor D.K. Sharma, Medical Superintendent, All Indian Institute of Medical Sciences, Mrs. Saroj Singh, Chairperson of the National Medical Laboratory Professional Week 2022, Shri Kaptan Singh Sherawat, President ICMLS, Shri Anand Mandya, Gold Medalist, my faculty colleagues, office bearers of the National Medical Laboratory Professional Week, laboratory technicians who are here, our colleagues, their family members, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, let me really congratulate the Aiims medical laboratory professionals for the hard work that they have done under the leadership of Ms. Saroj Singh during the last 1 week. Really Herculean task and tremendous. So very well done. And as has already been said, this was a very, I would say, holistic week, starting from the 17th of July, going on to today, the 23rd of July. You started off with the CME, where there was academic piece. You discussed a lot of academic activities. We had Dr. Puma, Dr. Sham Chauhan all coming forward to give lectures. And then you had a marathon the next day, which was where I was also there, and I saw the enthusiasm not only of the younger group but the older age group. Mrs. Saroj Singh, of course, led that and showed that she may be old but she is young at heart, and she had a lot of spirit in that marathon. So congratulations to everyone who participated in the marathon. And then you had the blood donation camp, the poster symposium, and of course the sports day, and yesterday yoga and discussions as far as naturopathy and integral health is concerned. So मेरा ये मानना है कि आपका पूरा जो last week रहा है, it has been development for mind, body and soul. Mind was the day 1 where you focused more on intellectual development. Subsequently, the marathon and the sports was more for the body. And yesterday was more from the point of view of the soul in terms of naturopathy, yoga, meditation. So the last 1 week has been very holistic, and it shows how our medical laboratory professionals are looking at a holistic growth of their colleagues, not only intellectually but also physically and also from the mental point of view. So congratulations to the whole team, very well done. I also think that this week was important because what we saw both in the CME or even during the marathon or in other activities, how everyone from different departments, all the medical professionals and even all the medical laboratory professionals came together, interacted with one another and became one large common family. The comradeship, the friendship, the interaction is something that Aiims is all about. Because that is what makes Aiims what Aiims is today. The ethos of Aiims is that we work as a team from the top to the bottom, and we are involved not only in patient care but also in education and research. So I think I would like to say that the last week was very fulfilling from that point of view also. So congratulations once more. I'm sure during this time you made new friends, you had new colleagues whom you knew were there in the Aiims, but they became now more than just colleagues, they became friends. And at the same time you discovered new talents. Sometimes you don't know that even in your department someone is such a good singer or has so much talent. This week allows you to really see that yes, so and so sings very well, so and so dances very well, so and so is very good at painting. So I think that hidden talent also came out during the last 1 week, and you discovered new things in your colleagues, in your friends. So I think this was a very fruitful week in all aspects, like I mentioned in the beginning. I would also like to take this opportunity to congratulate the medical laboratory professionals. As was mentioned, the National Commission is in place, and that will help to give this profession the respect it deserves, the uniformity it deserves, and it will also help for academic growth in this profession, which I think is very, very important, because this is how things are going to be in the future. Your profession is going to be probably the most important profession in the coming few decades. Because everything is going to be based on the lab reports, everything is going to be based on investigation. Unless those are proper, it is going to be difficult for physicians to be able to give proper treatment. Therefore, the importance of the medical laboratory professionals cannot be understated. You are going to be very, very important in the coming years, whether it be new techniques which come for diagnosis or to help in therapeutics, new techniques which are coming in. Every day we see new techniques coming in, new tests coming in. How do we interpret them? How do we use them for our patient care? And also from the point of view of quality control, how do we make sure that these tests are done precisely and accurately? And then there is a whole issue of how do they translate in our population? Is there any ethnic variation that we need to look at? Is there any other changes that we need to look at? So I think this profession is not only important from the point of view of providing care, but point of view of doing research, point of view of doing innovation. And we already have one of your colleagues who's looking at artificial intelligence. How can we look at artificial intelligence in laboratory? A lot of people argue that artificial intelligence will replace a lot of human errors or will decrease the amount of human errors, whether it's looking at a slide or whether it's pathology. Some people argue that pathologists may become less and less relevant because all the pathology slides will be better read by using artificial intelligence and machine learning. But we will still need to have a large force, and that is why medical laboratory professionals are very, very important. But as you have seen in the last week, it's not only professional growth, it's growth in all areas, whether it be your health, whether it be your soul, your mental status. So I think last 1 week has been very, very fruitful, and I would once again like to congratulate the organizers for doing this. They do it every week, but every week it becomes better and better, and you have more and more participants. It's a national event. Hopefully next year it will become an international event. So my best wishes and congratulations once more. Thank you very much.